Next up, triple clear for Crown. In this we need to clear a stronghold in Rohan Oil, Mazrah City, and Taraq Village. We'll go ahead and clear a fortress all the way up in Taraq Village here. So on the far north side of the map, you will need a fortress keycard to get in here, but all you need to do is enter it and clear it out completely. So there we go. I'm pretty sure this place is cleared. Sweet. Okay, so next up, we'll go to the Mazrah City. We'll clear this stronghold here, for example, which is a police station. Oh. So there we go, that should be it. Cool. Now we'll head to Rohan Oil and get the last stronghold cleared in order to finish off this mission. This is a super quick, super simple mission. All you need is a stronghold keycard, and that's really it. Cool. So we'll open this and finish this one off quickly. This one's even more sparse. And with that, there's a 2-plate stealth vest here and a medium backpack too. And there we go. Triple clear is now done. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.